Imagine small-scale farmers gaining affordable access to cutting-edge AI and blockchain technology, helping them overcome weather uncertainty, resource scarcity, and unstable markets. This is not a distant dream. It's AgriChain. Millions of small and medium farmers face unpredictable weather, costly resources, fluctuating crop prices, and isolation from collaborative knowledge. Existing tools are centralized, expensive, and geared towards large farms, leaving these farmers underserved. AgriChain revolutionizes farming by creating a decentralized network of AI agents connected through blockchain. These agents collect environmental data, predict weather and pest risks, optimize resource sharing, and provide market insights, all autonomously transacting through smart contracts. This network boosts crop yields, maximizes profits, and brings cutting-edge technology to small farms at an affordable cost. Our core customers are small-scale Indian farmers, farmer cooperatives, agri-advisory firms, NGOs, and government agencies working to improve rural livelihoods. We reach them through local agri-extension centers, mobile and web platforms, and community on-ground outreach. AgriChain builds strong relationships via trusted community support, peer endorsements, through agent reputations, and incentivized referrals, encouraging adoption and collaboration. Revenue comes from small transaction fees on data and service exchanges between agents, SaaS subscriptions for cooperatives, and commission fees on marketplace transactions linking farmers and buyers. We leverage IoT sensor hardware, blockchain infrastructure for secure microtransactions, cloud AI for predictions, and field agents for farmer training. Our activities focus on AI agent development, hardware deployment, farmer education, and cultivating strategic partnerships. Major costs include R&D for AI and IoT, hardware manufacturing and installation, blockchain network maintenance, and community outreach and support programs. AgriChain empowers farmers to thrive collaboratively, turning isolated plots into smart, resilient communities, building food security and economic prosperity from the ground up. Join us to make transformative agriculture a reality for millions.